About another important story, the Power Minister has sent the Electricity Amendment Bill 2022 to the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy for examination. Abhimanyu standing by with more details on this one. Abhimanyu.
Well, the bill has been sent to the Standing Committee on Energy. Various concerns have been raised by several stakeholders, and possibly that is the reason behind this development. The bill, which was introduced in the Parliament and thereafter sent to the Standing Committee, it aims to reform the power sector. It has proposed fixing of minimum and maximum tariffs. Also, it will allow possibly national and state load dispatch centers to stop the supply of power if at all bank guarantees have not been paid to power producers. Additionally, the bill allows that DISCOMs should abide by the renewable purchase obligations, and it also imposes a universal service obligation on all licensees. It allows network sharing for optimum utilization and also allows multiple DISCOM licensing apart from setting up of minimum and maximum tariffs. As far as the objections are concerned, which have been raised by various stakeholders, they have claimed that urban areas will have multiple licensees, but loss-making areas will remain underserved, since there will be no incentive given as per the Act to serve underserved areas. Also, it has been claimed by various stakeholders, they fear that the universal service obligation will only cover existing companies and the bill will lead to indirect privatization. Also, it has been claimed that states will lose control over regulatory bodies due to centers' intervention, and power cuts for the want of bank guarantees will cause grid instability and will also burden ailing DISCOMs. It remains to be seen what further issues are going to be addressed before the Standing Committee, if at all there are any red flags which are raised by the Standing Committee, which of course are possibly going to make a difference before the bill becomes an act and sees the light of the day. But of course, it remains to be seen what further action will be taken from the side of various stakeholders who have been objecting to the bill so far.